Fact 1, Fact 2. April 20, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. 1. No organization that includes United States citizens or citizens of the United States can assemble an actual State of the Union. 2. Beacon 37, the Republic, the National Assembly, RuSA, etc., 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 are all organized and inhabited by U.S. citizens. 3. Therefore, none of these organizations are competent to assemble our actual states of the Union. 4. Our states are the only ones that can enforce the constitutions because our states are the parties to the constitutions. 5. Our states are the only ones that can recharter the American-owned and operated states of states that we are owed. 6. Various parties, either in ignorance or on purpose, want to avoid abiding by the constitutions, so don't want us to assemble our actual states. 7. Various parties, either in ignorance or on purpose, want to usurp upon the vacancy left by our missing federal states of states. 8. So none of these organizations, Beacon 37, the Republic, the National Assembly, none of them are set up and aiming to do what we, the American people, need to get done. 9. You need to come home while there is still a home to come home to. 10. The only organizations out there that are properly constituted of American state nationals and state citizens are organizing under the heading of the American States Assembly.